3.5 days. So where do we go from here? This is a film production that we have shot in space. And obviously I've been over the poles as an astronaut now, and I have shot as much film as I possibly could. I shot 12 terabytes from space. None of it you will see here today because it's all still locked away. I have a few things I shot on my phone that I can show you. But it's interesting being macro and micro. So being beyond your own planet, being out in space and seeing the planet alive in front of you, spinning, and you're not part of it anymore. But what was interesting was that I didn't see a blue planet because our vantage point wasn't from the moon or from an equatorial orbit. We were seeing our planet from the polar orbit. And then you're seeing 25% Arctic, 25% Antarctic, that's 50% frozen planet, 25% ocean, 25% land. So I saw a frozen planet and it looked like, it was more comparable to Hoth. It was a frozen planet, it didn't look like Earth. It sort of messed with all my preconception of what Earth looks like. And now that I'm back I'll go back home to Svalbard, this is my home. And we also see climate change there. We see our planet rapidly warming up, and Svalbard is being studied by scientists because where we live is warming up 4 times faster than anywhere else on Earth. And we don't know why, but we can visually see that our planet is heating up. From space, that's quite hard to see, to be honest. So I think the documentary that we're going into will work with a comparison of Earth and space alike, but bringing a new perspective to humanity. And it's also important that this documentary isn't just going to be a movie or a streaming platform. For me, I think I know I will end up devoting the rest of my life to figuring out how I can express what I experienced in space. I don't know what the correct medium is, or maybe it's multiple mediums. Maybe it's possibly it's big dome, it's screen, it's music, it's dance, but it's definitely in the arts. I can't write down this. I don't have the vocabulary, and the vocabulary doesn't exist to express what I experienced in space. So we're going to have a little bit of a look at what I saw. Unfortunately, just recorded on the phone, but I do want to share some of what I experienced with you.
Ooh, pretty.
Fishing boats.
Oh.
North Pole. Tyler.